And then he was like, I will pay you $100 to get up there and make a video while you're at the concert saying, Taylor Swift sucks. And I said, you're not paying me $100 and that's not gonna happen because that would never happen in any universe. Do you know what? I was like, do you know what she says? Haters gonna hate, but she's gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off. I feel like a celeb.
Hi. Close the door.
You want
Dude,
to live your
I
life.
have to feed a baby for 3 days. Yes.
Okay guys,
Yay.
so we're on the way to the Eras tour. We just stopped at Starbucks, so everyone's gonna tell their unhinged orders. I got an iced triple espresso and a venti cup with blonde espresso and 3 pumps of white mocha and extra heavy cream and extra oat milk. Thank you.
Wow, I love it. Okay, Casey, what'd you get?
A venti cold brew with light sweet cream and a cheese Danish.
Yes.
Ooh.
Okay, Devin, what'd you get?
I have it written down. I have a blonde triple ice espresso in a large cup.
Yes.
Venti cup, extra splash of sweet cream, and 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup.
Okay, perfect. And I didn't even get coffee. I just got a muffin.
Gabrielle, her little muffin.
Gabrielle knows the muffin man.
Oh no, it's fine. Anyway, guys,
You know the
shut up.
the muffin man.
Careful, what's gonna get, what is it
I
called?
wanted to show you my shoes.
Wait, can I show the vlog my video?
Lover.
Gabrielle.
Taylor Swift. Fearless. Speak now. Red. 1989. Reputation. Folklore. Evermore. Midnight.
Love it.
Right?
1989. Eras. Folklore, Midnight, Speak Now, and there's a 13 I can barely see.
Taylor Swift. Fearless. Speak now. Red. 1989. Reputation. Lover.
Why was Reputation
Folklore. Evermore. Midnight.
This is our local artist. We love to support local businesses.
Dang it. Bye.
We'll come out.
Yes.
Hey girl!
Yep. Screaming, crying, throwing up. Punch me in the face. Tracy, can I have some of your queso? Hey guys, we just got to our Airbnb. It is so cute. I wanted to kind of show you around. So here's the living room, little office space. Casey, kitchen area, Devin, kitchen.
We here.
Little coffee station, laundry room. I don't know what this is. What?
Okay.
This is so cute. Ow, I almost fell. What? This is so cute. So cute. Wow, this is so cute. Look at this shower. Are you joking? Are you joking?
So like classy and modern, and then there's
Sequins on it. I was like,
interesting. Doesn't really fit the vibe.
yeah. Love that. It's so cute. Alright, so I just grabbed most of my stuff, but I'm very out of breath. So I'm gonna unload it now. Well, not unload it. Okay guys, we're about to go to sleep. We're very unhinged. I bejeweled my shoes for like another hour.
We see Taylor tomorrow. It's not every day you can say that.
Taylor Swift!
Looking forward to her performing. This is so hard. August. Okay. Probably. Cruel Summer. Okay.
What song are you most excited for?
All too well 10-minute version. I'll try.
Well, that's for
Marjorie.
Sure.
Those two. And Tim McGraw. I will cry. Just expect it.
Illicit affairs.
So many. Karma too.
Honestly,
What's the dance she does? And I came back.
Oh, that's the visual.
Oh yeah.
Vigilante
So
looks so
ready.
hot.
Do y'all know the
Looks
cheer,
so
the
good.
little cheer things?
Hey guys, I am in bed right now. I am so tired. I need to go to sleep. It is almost midnight, but I have to read my book before I go to sleep, and I have my fan on. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great night. Tomorrow is the day where we see Taylor Swift. I'm so excited, and I'm gonna take you along with me for the day. Not at the concert though, because I'm not allowed to have my camera, but I will record some on my phone and include it in this vlog. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the day of the tour. I can't believe it. I feel like my stomach is like churning. I'm like really nervous, but I'm also really excited. I'm about to hop in this super cute shower, and then my friend and I are going to go to the grocery store, but I'm being quiet because a lot of the girls are still asleep. But anyways, I love you guys. I can't wait to take you along on this day with me. Good morning. Good morning. Where are we headed? To breakfast. Yay. And coffee. Hi. Good morning. Hello.
Taylor Swift.
I would buy it. I think I'll be doing. This is so cute.
Surround my team from, they were left over from our rehearsal center. Cute. How cute those are. This is so much more than just florals. Yeah.
Don't get the bully stick.
The same vibe, but also cute.
So cute.
Look at them.
What?
Look at these roses.
And man, one of the resource officers confiscated.
Ow!
Just stand there and look.
T-shirt for me.
Don't put on your shoes.
Directly at the sun, but never in the mirror.
Guys, I'm about to get ready for the Eras tour. We just filmed like so many TikToks. I feel dizzy, so I need to drink some water, but let me show you my outfit. So I have all my supplies in here. This is my outfit, my bag. I'm so excited. Okay, what era are you?
Midnight.
What era are you?
Lover.
Hello, I'm Fearless. Yes. Reputation. Yes.
Taylor's version of First Fall of Snow.
Yes.
Eras tour.
Everybody gets off somewhere. Martaman said to do it. Martaman. No, you know the Martaman. Oh, you're good. I want to be in it.
I feel like if they have
Got in, everything's good. Where it's amazing, beautiful. Oh my gosh.
love you. I like a baby coming home from the bar. Oh, the last time, but it wasn't true. I don't want to keep secrets just to keep you and I.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. We had such a great time at the concert, but we did not get back until like 1:30 or 2. I didn't go to sleep until like 2:15 or 2:30. And I only slept for like 5 hours because I wanted to get up and watch the videos that I took last night. I'm getting ready right now. I just brushed my hair and washed my face. I'm drinking a smoothie and I am gonna get dressed and go find my makeup bag, get ready, and then we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go to the Ponce City Market. So I'm super excited. I've never been there before and it looks like they have a really cute shop in it with Taylor Swift merch and like little cards and trinkets and things like that. So I'm really excited. I think it'll be so cute. So I can't wait to take you along with me on that. All right, guys, it is a little bit later. I got ready. Here is my dress and I'm gonna put my Taylor Swift sneakers on with it. I'm about to go downstairs and our friend is about to be here with our breakfast. I am so hungry. And then after that we are going to go to the market like I said earlier and I'm super excited. I don't know why my camera is so bright. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna film next, but come with me.
So cute. Wow.
Those are cute.
Which I'm aware carjackings happen everywhere, but the fact that it happened here, I just feel like I have a little bit of PTSD.
That's
So
totally
even
fair.
if your car is locked, let me tell you people,
You're not safe.
just put your crap in the trunk.
So we just had breakfast and yeah, let me hold on.
No.
Hey guys, so we just had breakfast. It is Sunday. Emma just got into town yesterday and she picked me up this morning and
It's my birthday,
yes!
so
Yes.
Taylor planned a concert just for me.
She really did. It was
my
so
day,
sweet and
honestly.
thoughtful of her.
And 2 dates before hers.
yes,
So.
perfect. So what did you order for breakfast?
Well, I got a large almond syrup latte. Didn't realize it had 4 shots of espresso in it. So
It's okay, I might be
not drink
carrying
the
her
whole
home.
thing. And then I got a turkey pesto croissant, which is really
So good. I got a bacon and cheddar biscuit situation. I usually wouldn't like that, but I was desperate. So, anyways, we're headed back to Ponce City Market right now because Emma hasn't gone yet this weekend. So, we're gonna get some goods and then get some lunch and then head back and get ready. So, bye!
Bye.
Are you ready? I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cry like a baby coming home from the bar. It looks so pretty like a devil is blue. Shake your body is blue.
That's a song that I wrote about my grandmother, who I love so much, who passed away when I was 13, and she always wanted to be an opera singer. She was an opera singer, and so to hear her voice played in that song, and for you guys to have done that, felt, I felt things. I felt things, and I appreciate you so much. It's good. It's good to feel things. Oh my God. It's not just me, my backing vocalists were crying too. It's not just me. You made all of us cry. Congratulations. I hope you're happy. So I feel like it should be said that I haven't gotten to tour in a while. I haven't gotten to tour in a while, like, 4 or 5 years since I got to be in a room with beautiful, wonderful people like you singing words back to me and doing spontaneous acts of kindness like what you just did, holding up all those flashlights on your phone.
Good morning, guys. It's probably been like 3,000 hours since I last recorded. But we stopped at Chick-fil-A, got some hash browns and chicken minis. We came to this Chick-fil-A at a mall and I literally did not know how to get there. So I walked through the entire mall as older people stared at me because I guess they're like walking around trying to get their steps in. What is it doing? And I think I probably walked like a full 10 minutes trying to get to the Chick-fil-A and back. And I definitely got my steps in, so I guess they're on to something.
Love that.
But anyways, we're headed back to Charlotte. Look at this cute bracelet someone gave me last night. It says lover, but it's upside down. But yeah, bye.